I am proud to announce that in the mammoth evacuation effort that SANParks has undertaken, not one single life has been lost. In actual fact, not even one single person got injured, and I think we really got to commend SANParks for that.
So where else have you been?
The early indications is that the recovery cost for Kruger National Park will be in excess of 500 million rand. So it's more than R500 million that we will require to rebuild the park. So this will be a gradual reclaiming of whatever we can for the visitors, but the indications is that it will take as long as 5 years to repair all the bridges and roads and other infrastructure in the park.